Welcome back, everyone. If you're a fan of aesthetic productivity tools or you're looking to level up your digital or print stationery business, this one's for you. So, today we're diving into how you can design eye catching journal and planner covers using ChatGPT's newest, most powerful image creation feature. So, what was that? Let me show you if you haven't watched my previous video. And as always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to help you on your design journey. Let's jump right in. So, first off, why don't we talk about vibes? So, are you designing a calming wellness journal, a bold productivity planner, a whimsical daily diary? Well, the aesthetic starts here. So you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm specific visual styles and themes for your cover. So here's the prompt I would use to kick off the vision. So just click here. Okay, just imagine you're here, going down here. Then here it is, the updated feature, create image. There we go. Here's my prompt. Boom. So I would like journal cover, soft pastel aesthetic, inspired by Japanese stationery and springtime serenity. Sorry about that. And yep, down here are some details here provided, and there's like motifs like clouds, koi fish, paper lanterns, and it should convey gentle, peaceful, uplifting. There are background details like dreamy sky gradient and floating sakura p, p petals. Sorry about that. Yeah, and here we go. Once more, color palette: lavender, blush pink, baby blue. All right, so let's uh, let's. Why am I a little bit fumbling today? Anyways, sending this off now. Alrighty, it's getting started, and I'll leave it up to ChatGPT to generate the rendered image and see how the generated look for the ideal journal based off this prompt would look like. Just wait this off for a while. There we go. Okay, so far, look at that. The quarter part here is looking good. There are the sakura petals right here. There's the lantern looking good. The blue sky gradient right there. The cloud. All right. Oh, look at that. As you can see, you know what's better right here? The text here, not very all jumbled like it's usual when it comes to images. And you can see right here, perfect text, journal, and it's getting better as it loads down right here. Look at the koi fish. Another one right here. Cherry blossoms. Looking good. And yeah. See? Look at how it came out. See the minimal lavender background with floating sakura petals, hand-drawn style clouds, and soft brush topography. And look at this overall. It's really good. Super calming and perfect for like a self-care journal. And yeah, this gives us a solid art direction to build from. I really admired this overall. Nice. Now it's time to get really specific. This is where ChatGPT shines, generating detailed prompts for the image tool that match your vibe to a T. You can ask ChatGPT to create an image that's based on your theme or even specify orientation, color palette, or mood. So here's what I'm going for right here. Again, there we go. Create image, prompt, boom, here we go. So I want a portrait-oriented journal cover design. All right. It's going for the similar one from the previous segment, this time more detailed. Background, soft gradient. Yep, once again, this time it would read my wellness journal. Okay, with center title in gold foil script. There we go. That's added details right here. So tone, serene, feminine, calming, perfect for a mindfulness themed journal. All right. So let's see how this goes, how it would be more specific from ChatGPT's image generation. All right. The prompt has now been entered and it's commencing with the image rendering process. Okay, so again, this might take a bit while, but not long enough. Just keep an eye on it until it loads the picture and it keeps scrolling down here. Just be patient on this, okay? Okay, as you can see right here, it's currently rolling down with some parts of the generated image, as you can see right here. There we go. A few details that came off pretty good right here. With the clouds, it looks kind of like a watercolor style. All right, the cherry blossoms in there. Oh, there it is. The text. It reads my with the golden accent. Okay, it keeps rolling down. Wellness. Okay. Look at that cursive text form. I love it. There we go. It would definitely read journal, and boom! Look at that! This is gorgeous! Let's take a look here. The balance of space, the soft textures, that dreamy atmosphere are exactly what I was imagining, not gonna lie. It looks really simple, yet specific and really good. And really the best part, you can actually tweak it and regenerate as much as you need with the added details right there. And yep, you could just add it right here. And it's optional, just feel free. It looks pretty good. And before we go to the final segment, now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. You don't have to stop at just one style. Well, because ChatGPT right here can help you explore variations from retro vibes to modern minimalism just by like rewording your prompts or just create something new. Of course, the prompts down here. Let's ask it for an alternate concept with a totally different aesthetic. Okay, let's go right here. Create image, of course, once again. There we go. Boom. Okay, so what I want is a modern, bold planner cover aimed for young professionals and entrepreneurs. And of course, the motivational quote right here, let's say, make it happen. Okay. And bold, uppercase, sans serif font, right? Metallic gold texture, clean layout. And you know how minimalism goes for, right? So with all the details, the patterns like geometric line. All right, let's see. Oh, and one more. Just keep an eye out. Emerald green, subtle gradients. All right, so let's send this off right now. Yep, it's getting started right here, of course. And then, yeah, let's see what direction it takes for ChatGPT to render the image with the planner cover that I'm aiming for. All right, so it's getting started still, and just wait right here. All right, so as you can see, yep, look at that. See? Well. So far, and right now. Look at that. See? It really came off pretty sleek and looking good. As you'll see, the golden accents, the emerald green background right here. See? Look at the geometrical lines, the powerful quote. Again, not jumbled like usual before, and now it all looks good. It's I like it though. Totally different from our previous designs. It's really perfect for the business minded planner. See, look at that. And yeah, there you have it. Three very different but equally creative journal and planner cover directions, all made possible with ChatGPT's latest image capabilities. Whether you're designing for yourself or launching a stationery brand, this is a tool that seriously expands your creative image. Until next time, everybody, see ya.